So this video has been so long overdue because I was supposed to build my desk like 3 months ago when I first got my monitor, and these boxes have just been laying around in my room and I haven't found the time to finally build everything and put everything together. So today is the day that we're finally gonna get it started because it's a 3-day weekend, so even if I don't finish today, I still have tomorrow and Monday to finish up everything. So yeah, I'll show you guys what my desk looks like now. Yeah, this is what my desk looks like. Yeah, you can see there's no cable management and the space is very minimal width-wise, and it's just too long and unnecessary. I don't need my work monitor. I was just gonna use my smart monitor, the one that I just bought, for work if I need a monitor. But usually I just work on my laptop, so it's not like a big deal. Alright, so I asked my housemate to help me build my desk because I'm too lazy to do it by myself, and I'm already tired from just cleaning my room up a little bit and disassembling the other desk and then taking it out to the garage. Yeah, he's gonna come back with a knife and I'm gonna get started. As you can see, I moved my bed over here instead, and we're probably gonna put my desk right here. Say hi, Philip!
What's up? White?
It has white legs. I mean, one of these boxes have the legs on them.
The reveal. More cardboard.
A child.
Child. The reveal.
Child. Yeah, I think the rest is started. How was last night? Yeah, I was expecting it to be like a big fight. Everybody's on a piece. Next week I'm gonna do a house tour. Monitor's gonna be. Where's the light? Oh, this? Alright, so I have my desk built and I realize it's not as long as I intended it to be. It's a little shorter actually. And I wanted to fit a little shelf on the left side of my monitor, but me and my housemate came up with a solution because my dresser is actually the same height as my desk, coincidentally. So I'm just gonna have my dresser be a part of my desk setup and then put the little shelf there because my monitor is just way too long and my PC would go here. So there's just not enough space, obviously, for a little shelf. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.